Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson. Vocabulary, the body parts.
Today we will improve our vocabulary, learning about the body parts. Come with me. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Arms. A-R-M-S. Arms. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W-S. Elbows. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. Hip. H-I-P. Hip. Belly. B-E-L-L-Y. Belly. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Knees. K-N-E-E-S. Knees. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Toes. T-O-E-S. Toes.
What about subscribing the channel?